Alright, let me say something real quick. Most people in crypto right now are still doing everything manually. Scrolling Twitter, checking charts, and guessing trends. Meanwhile, some people are quickly using AI to move faster than everyone else. And no, I'm not talking about AI trading. AI trading bots that make you rich overnight. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to actually use AI in crypto step by step, in the smart way, without hype, without no sense. So here is the problem. Crypto move fast, trends change in day, narratives appear out of nowhere, and by the time most people hear about a coin, it's already too late. And if you're doing everything manually, you're always reacting instead of being early. This is where AI become powerful, not because it predicts the future, but because it helps you process information faster, spot patterns, and make decisions quicker. Basically, it gives you leverage. Alright, so first thing, I use ChatGPT for researching, and this is something most people underestimate. Instead of scrolling for hours, you just ask what are the current trading narrative in crypto, and it will give you AI tokens, the gaming, real world assets, DeFi update. Now you're not guessing anymore, you're focusing on where attention is going. Next step, go to DEX screener. This is where things get interesting. You can find newly launched tokens, track volume spikes, see liquidity change. What I usually do is look for coins with sudden volume growth but still low exposure. That's where early opportunities sometimes appear. Now this part is important because hype drives crypto, so it go back to ChatGPT and combine it with X. This saves you hours of scrolling. Now we get into strategies. I use AI to help me think, not to decide for me. For example, create a simple trading scenario based on this coin. It may give entry zones, the risk level, possible outcomes. Again, this is not something you follow blindly. It just helps me think faster, structure your idea. Alright, quick example. Let's say AI tells you gaming tokens are traded. You go to DEX screen, you find a new gaming project with rising volume, and then you check sentiment. People are starting to talk about it. Now you're connected narrative, data, hype. That's why it's stronger than guessing randomly. So now listen carefully. AI is not magic. It can be wrong, follow hype, miss important details, so don't ever rely 100% on AI. Use it as a tool or not a decision maker. So yeah, the people winning right now aren't just smarter, they're faster. So, and AI help you move faster. If you learn how to use AI properly, you're already ahead of most of people. So, alright, if you want, I can drop you my exact AI prompt in the next video, so like the video.